Welcome back. This is Dion Trades, and today I'll be talking about pullbacks. This video has been made particularly for those that struggle when it comes to identifying pullbacks in the market. Alright, so I would advise you to pause the video right now and get a pen and paper because these notes will be very instrumental as we go on. Okay, so as you can see on your screen, these are the topics that will be covered in this video. So what is a pullback? A pullback is just a short-term rise or drop in market price in the opposite direction of the market. We only have two types of pullbacks. We have a bullish pullback and a bearish pullback. A bullish pullback is a temporary price drop in an uptrend. A bearish pullback is a temporary price rise in a downtrend. And why are these pullbacks important? Why are we even discussing them? So as a true smart money concept trader, you need pullbacks. You need these pullbacks to identify the market structure, identify liquidity in the market, and for any trade entry, you definitely need to have a pullback. Identifying valid pullbacks is going to make a huge difference in your trading. Everything starts here. Alright, so I'm about to show you some charts, and what I want from you is to identify which of the charts has a valid pullback and which ones have an invalid pullback. You have to write it down on a piece of paper or whatever you are using so that it will be easy to remember when I start showing you how to identify them. You can pause the video and try to identify them. Don't just guess, at least try. You can take all the time you want. Alright, good luck. Okay, so have you identified your valid and invalid pullbacks? It's very important that you take part in this quick test because you need it for your growth. If you tried, that's good. If you have no clue what is happening, that's good too. You're here to learn and you definitely learn. Don't worry, just hang in there. Alright, so I'm about to show you your test results. So how many did you get right? You know, the funny thing about all this is that you can actually get something right just by guessing. Yes, you can do that. But you want to be a true SMC trader, and guessing is just not what we do here. You have to know what is happening. Knowing is what's going to separate you from the 90% or whatever number they keep throwing out there. So now we'll dive into how you can identify a valid and invalid pullback. I will explain the reasons why certain pullbacks were valid and others were invalid using the same quick test that you just took. Alright, so we'll start from the beginning. And just to simplify things, I've assigned letters to the candles we'll be discussing. These letters will be very useful when you're backtesting on your own, alright? So why is chart 1 valid? The candles in chart 1 are making higher highs going up. So it's an uptrend. And so we are looking for a bullish pullback since it's an uptrend. And if you are taking notes, I said that a bullish pullback is a temporary price drop in an uptrend. You can clearly see we have a temporary price drop, but why does that price drop make it a valid pullback? It's because we have a candle that broke the previous candle's low. That's it. We have a candle that broke the previous candle's low. That's what we are looking for. Candle A's low was broken by candle B. You see the red dotted line there? Yeah, that's where the previous candle's low was broken, and then the market continues going in an uptrend, leaving behind a valid bullish pullback. All right. Now, what about chart 2? Why is it a valid pullback? The candles are making lower lows, so we are in a downtrend. And if we are in a downtrend, going back to your notes again, what did we say? We are looking for a bearish pullback. Okay? Referring to your notes again, we said that a bearish pullback is a temporary price rise in a downtrend. All right? So we have a price rise, but what makes this rise a valid bearish pullback? Remember on chart 1, we just needed one candle to break the previous candle's low in an uptrend. Well, in a downtrend, it's just the reverse of that. Instead of the low, it's the high. You need one candle to break the previous candle's high. As you can clearly see, candle B broke candle A's high, and then the price continued in a downtrend, leaving behind a valid bearish pullback. All right. So from my previous explanations, are you able to tell why chart 3's pullback is valid? Just try based on what I have talked about so far, and please do not guess. Okay, you can pause the video or go back to the previous charts if you want. All right, so this is why the pullback on chart 3 is valid. Okay, previous candles low broken by the next candle in an uptrend. Simple as that. Previous candles low broken by the next candle in an uptrend. Simple as that. No need of guesswork. Let's go straight to chart 4. Oh my God, how is that not a pullback? No way. That's someone's brain talking right now. Okay, I'll keep referring to your notes. What constitutes a valid pullback? That's a very good question. What constitutes a valid pullback? So there's no rush. You can go back to what I said about valid pullbacks. Firstly, what trend is that? It's a downtrend, okay? We are talking about chart 4. What are you looking for in a downtrend? We're looking for a bearish pullback. Okay. What is a bearish pullback? A temporary price rise in a downtrend. Okay. Is there a price rise? Sort of. Is there a candle that broke the previous candle's high? Nope. Oh no, but Dion trades, the green candle's high is clearly broken. What are you saying? Okay, calm down, okay? Now, this is where you pay extra attention. The same rules apply, nothing has changed. This is where these letters I gave you will come in handy, okay? They'll be very useful. These letters will be helping you filter out the noise when identifying pullbacks. Alright, so the candles were coming down, making lower lows, and then suddenly there was a price rise. However, this price rise did not break the previous candle's high or low. Its whole body was just within the previous candle's body. In short, it was engulfed by the previous candle. Oh no! Now he's using big words now. Okay, just hang in there. I'll make it simpler, I promise. I'll make it simpler. So, when you label a candle as candle A, it means that that particular candle has taken out the previous candle's low. Can you see it? And you label a candle as candle B when that particular candle has taken out the previous candle's high. This previous candle is candle A. Just remember that when candle A's high or low is not broken by the next candle, that next candle should not be labeled anything because it is within candle A. If candle A's high is not broken but its low is broken, the candle that breaks candle A's low becomes the new candle A, and the cycle continues. That's just how it goes. If there is no B candle, there is no valid pullback. You need to remember that, okay? This is in a downtrend. For the uptrend, it's just the reverse. All right. If you didn't hear what I said, you can just go back, okay? You can always go back and start listening again. You really need to understand this concept. Okay. We have another chart that almost certainly looks like a valid pullback. So why is chart 5's pullback invalid? From a glance, you can just classify it as a valid pullback and move on, and then when price doesn't respect your entry, you have a mental breakdown, and then you know what happens. If you can just take a quick look at a certain level and give it a name, it's either you are lazy, you're a gambler, or you just don't like making money consistently. Stop complicating your trading career, okay? Can you tell why there is no valid pullback on chart 5? Just try it. That's how we learn. Just try. You don't have to be right. Pause the video or go back to the other invalid pullback earlier explained, okay? So first things first, it's an uptrend, and so to keep it simple for you, we are looking for a candle that will break candle A's low. No candle broke candle A's low, but the high was getting broken, resulting into new candle A's. So we are getting new A candles, okay? No candle B, therefore no valid bullish pullback. It's that simple. Chart 6. On chart 6, again, first things first, what's the trend? The trend is a downtrend. So the first candle A's high was not broken, but its low was broken. The candle that broke candle A's low became the new candle A. I hope you are getting. I really hope you are getting me. I can't explain it any simpler than this, okay? Was this candle A's high broken? No, but its low was broken, and the candle that broke candle A's low became the new candle A. Okay, we have a new candle A again. Was this candle A's high broken? Yes. Therefore, the candle that broke candle A's high became candle B. You need to be asking yourself these questions. Remember what I said? Absence of candle B means invalid. Presence of candle B means valid. And therefore, chart 6 is what? Yeah, chart 6 is valid because there's a candle B. So basically, that is all you need to know about the identification of valid pullbacks. There's definitely a lot more that I can only teach my students, but in summary, that is basically it. So I'll just leave you with some key takeaways from this topic. You can write them down somewhere if you want. It really helps, I'm telling you. So the 1-month mentorship program is open. You can start by joining my free Telegram channel in the description below. All right. If you have questions or anything, you can put it in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This has been Dion Trades. Happy trading.